Good. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you, and thank you for joining in uh, today's webinar. Today's topic is to enabling medical device through advanced display solutions. In this section, I will share medical display trends, industry trends, and keep medical product segments uh, in a scenario and how advanced display solutions support modern medical systems. And at first, please allow me make a self introduction. And my name is Jason Chen, and I'm a sales engineer focusing on smart medical displays, display solution, and Leadtek displays. The purpose of today's webinar is fourfold. First, to outline key trends in medical dis uh, and the purpose of today's webinar is for first to outline key trends in the medical display industries and how how application demands are evolving. Second, to introduce typical medical device scenarios and explain their displays related requirements. Third, to highlight critical factors when selecting the reliable and compliant medical displays. And finally, to share how Leadtek supports medical device with practical and customizable display solution. This is our company's introduction. Shenzhen Leadtek Electronics is a national high-tech enterprise founded in 2015, headquartered in Shenzhen, China. We focus on design, engineering, and manufacturing of professional displays. Our products range spans from 1.3 inches up to 21.5 inches, covering standard, tietted, rugged, eco-friendly, and smarter displays. Leadtek operates under ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13,485, and IATF 16,949 certified systems with production bases in Shenzhen and Zhongshan to ensure medical grade quality and long-term supply stability. Yes, it is a picture of our factory. Please. 西风额头，漂亮漂亮。Hi, hello. Hello, Michael. Please wait a moment. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Okay, okay.
Hello.
Hello, let me see. Maybe we can start our webinar. Let me see. Oh, well, wait a minute. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. And thank you for joining today's webinar. With webinar. Today's topic is enabling medical device through advanced display solutions. And in this session, I will share medical display trends, kit medical device scenario, and how advanced display solutions support modern medical systems. At first, please allow me make a self introduction. Uh, I'm I'm Jason. My name is Jason, and I'm a sales engineer from Leadtek. I'm focusing on smart medical display solutions. And the purpose of this webinars is fourfold. At first, to outline key trends in the medical displays industry and how application demands are evolving. Second, to introduce typical medical device scenarios and explain their displays related requirements. Third, to highlight critical factor when selecting reliable and compliant medical displays. And finally, to share how Leadtek supports medical device with practical and customizable display solutions. And here is our company introductions. Uh, Introduction: Shenzhen Leadtek Electronics is a national high-tech enterprise founded in 2015, headquartered in Shenzhen, China. We focus on design, engineering, and manufacturing of prof professional display solutions for vertical markets, including medicals, industrials, and other fields. Uh, our product range spans from 1.3 inches to 21.5 inches, covering standard TFT, rugged and eco-friendly and smarter displays. Leadtek operates under ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485, and IATF 16945 certified systems with production based on in Shenzhen and Zhongshan to ensure medical grade quality and long-term supply stability. Here is the picture of our factories. This is the production lines. And there are this is my category. This is 4 parts. First part is medical displays industry trends. Second part is kit medical product segments. Third is Leadtek's customization capability. And fourth is question and answer session. The first part is medical display industry trends. The global medical displays market is expected to reach approximately 8 to 10 billion dollars by 2030, with a compound annual growth rate of approximately 6 to 8%. This market is characterized by high technical barriers, strict regulatory requirements, and strong customer stickiness. Medical displays are professional-grade component rather than commodities products. Key growth drives includes medical imaging, digitalizations, and such as PETs, DR, and CTs, and MRIs system, which require high resolution, high grayscale displays. Uh, the rapid adoptions of minimally invasive surgeries and digital operating rooms also drive demands for displays with high brightness, low latencies, and accurate color reproductions. And aging population and rising chronic disease, which accelerating aging trends in Europe, the US, Japan, and China are increasing imaging examination and surgical values, supporting long-term market growth. And stricter medical regulations and standards compliance with standards such as DCOS and medical electrical safety requirements is driving the replacement of general purpose uh, general
Begint gewoon
purpose
alles over, hè?
hello commercial displays with professional medical displays, and the expansion of telemedicine and primary health care, remote diagnostics, and health healthcare systems are boosting demand for small to mid-sized displays, such as 5-inch to 12.1 inches in medical device and clinical terminals. And this is regional market distributions for medical displays, regional trends. For Asian and Pacific, is fast. Asian Pacific is the fastest growing market, driven by large-scale healthcare infrastructure deployments, especially in China. And Europe and North America continue to lead in high-end diagnostics and surgical displays due to advanced technology and strict regulation. Emerging markets are also contributing to growth supported by expanding healthcare infrastructure and demands for mid-range medical displays. And here is the medical displays markets by product size. You can see the large size 12.3 inch to 32 inches. It's usually used for diagnostic imaging and radiologies. And mid-size 15 inch to 19 inch is also usually used for nurse stations and medical terminals. And the small size is under 12.1 inches. It's usually used for medical embedded medical device and portable systems. And medical displays are evolving from passive information panels into intelligent interactive terminals. And this is a strong terminals. And we can see in the past, simple numerical displays to present multifunctional touch displays. And in the future, in my opinions, I think there will maybe intelligent interactive displays with high brightness and energy efficiency, and limited state visualization of allows real-time big data monitoring and AI. And from the future, it will be AI-assisted analytics and remote diagnostics. And for indoors equipment usage, it will is adapted to outdoors industrial environment. So, and in the future, it will be wide temperature range, sunshine readables, and energy savings reflective displays. And for the standards specifications in the past, and now it becomes customized aspects, retails, and interface. And in the future, it will be more modular and scalable solutions. And the keep trends is uh, strong demands for compliance and color accurate displays, especially for radiologists, pathologists, and surgical visualizations, which ensuring diagnostic accuracies. And higher resolutions such as 4 MPs, 6 MP, and 8 MPs. ANTs are increasingly adopted along with integrated calibrations and quality controls feature. And integrations of displays and support for multiple signal interface. It will makes increasing need for DisplayPort HDMI, SDIs, LVDS to connect with diverse medical image device. And finally, raising demands for embedded and portable medical devices, smaller to mid-sized displays for portable, portable, which portable ultrasounds, patient monitor, and point of care device, which is more convenient for people to use. And this is common types of end products and category. This is patient monitors, such as bedside monitors and central monitor stations. These displays also require always requirements continuous operation and high as it might use all day and all night and high readabilities, reliabilities, and wide real angles, which allow people to see the screen from many from many ways. And second is core IVD systems. Examples such as biochemistry analyzers and PCR analyzers. Its requirement is a clear UIs and touch support and long-term stability. Third is an infusion pumps. Example is value matrix infusion pumps, and it also requires high readabilities and lower power consumption. And four is a wearables medical device, such as this watch and smartwatches, and it requires ultra low powers and compact size and a very high brightness. As it also you can sometimes maybe using the sunshine place. The second part is kit medical product segments. Uh, this is in my opinion, I think this is for major application scenarios. The first one is medical patient monitor. The two is in vitro diagnostics. And third is infusion pumps. And four is a wearable medical device. And first is national medical patient monitors. This is the chips of this device, N chips and drug chips and STM and PI and medical monitors and core device and key point is also using in ICUs, operating rooms, emergency rooms, and general wards. And they continuously monitor virtual signs such as ECGs, SP oxygen, blood pressures, and respiration and temperatures. These systems are designed for 24/7 unit interrupted clinical operation. And you can see use all day and all night this screen. And displays requirement and technology trends. Display requirements. Displays must provide high readabilities for waveforms and numerical data. And brightness also more than 500 nits and higher for mobile monitor. And wide viewing angles for multi-persons observations. And long lifetimes, more than 50,000 hours and low EMIs to avoid other interruptions and is you normally use supports LVDS, RGB, and MIBIS interface, and also with capacitive touch. Fixings on virtualizations is real, such as with displays mask and also systems and visualizations, real-time waveforms renderings, and multi-parameter simultaneous displays, and low latency, high thermal reliability. And Trends, I think, touch screens are increasingly replacing the physical buttons, and screen size are shifting from 7 inches to 10.1 and 12.1 inches. And also integration with central monitor systems. UI focus on clarity and allows prior authorizations. And in this device, customers concerns always also be 3 points. Maybe these 3 points. First one is can the display deliver consistent image quality and diagnostic accuracy over long-term use? And Leadtek supports well, our displays have a medical grade reliabilities. Modules pass long-term high temperature agents and vibration tests to ensure high MTBF. And second question: does the displays fully complies with medical regulation and safety standard for hospital environments? And for Litex, we can say medical compliance or oriental designs. We developed on the an ISO 1300 and 4485 quality systems with electrical safety and BNC consideration to support medical certification. The third is the displays reliable enough to minimize downtime and reduce total life cycle costs. We support high reliabilities and long life cycle designed for continuous operation, long spec lifetimes, and stable supply to reduce maintenance and total life cycles costs. Key message: our latex delivers reliable, compliance-ready display solution for long-term medical application. And here is our 10.4 inches and displays with UART TLRT boards and 800 luminance. We can see this is modules and board, and it has a wide operating temperature -30 to 85. And the third part is in vitro diagnostics. This is usually chips such as ADIs, TIs, and resistors. And in this part, key point is deployed in clinical laboratories and hospital reference labs and diagnostic center, and core platforms for automate samples processing and analytical workflows. And they support major IVD applications such as clinical chemistry and hematology and molecules diagnostic and POCT systems. And this platform operates continuously in high throughput environments and prioritize accuracies and repeatabilities. And display requirement and technology trends. Display requirements and high readability displays must clearly present essays curve and results tables and system status. And low ENI design is critical to avoid interference with opticals and electrodes chemical sensing modules. Touching surface must also withstand frequent alcohol cleanings without degradations and trains this system visualizations is real-time visualization of analysis workflows and reactions progress. clear displays of multi-channels, test results and calibration state, and stable lower latency performance to 2007's high throughput operation. And strengths, UIs moving towards workflow-driven and graphical operation. Screen size shifting to 10.1 and or 12.1 inch for improved data readabilities and deeper integration with list and laboratories automation systems. And in this device, I think customers' concerns may be these 3 points: can displace touch or cablings, noise effects, opticals, electrochemicals, sensing accuracy. And for Leadtek, we provide optical surface and readability options. For anti-reflective and anti-glare coatings selection designed to improve the readabilities and reduce glare and smudges, with durabilities and easier cleaning characteristics. The second point is will frequent alcohols whippings degrade the surface readabilities or cause smudge over time. For us, we provide touch for labs of operation and capacity touch options, including glove supports and water immunities for harsh use environments. The third point, can you ensure long-term supply stabilities and controls changes and medical qualities compliance throughout validation cycles? And we have a medical grade quality systems and long-term manufacturing capabilities. And we have this ISO 13485 certificates and plus multi-ISO certificates manufacturing for consistency. The key message is that Leadtek supports in vitro device with low EMI designs, anti-reflective and anti-glare readable and cleanable surface, and robust touch, and this certificate quality plus long-term supply stability. And this is our 12.1 inches this is 12.1 inches wide temperature high brightness touchscreen displays. You can see this transmissive display is luminance also with 618 nits and is also with UART board. And this is third part is infusion pump. It's also is usually use the chips is STMs and microchip and Texas Instruments series. And the key point is error-proof readability. The larger numerals are high contrast with clear units and decimals to reduce dosings and setting mistakes. Advanced UI's high priorities alarms are highly readable with clear root case text and actionable guidance for faster acknowledge. And glove and this disinfection durables supports glove operation, touch or keep assisted with front surface built for frequent disinfectants whipping. This is display requirement and technology strength. Display requirements. So it's usually use error-proof dosing programs and small screen clarity and better size or nice use comfort maybe, and cleaning and glove tolerance. sometimes a doctor may wear the glove to touch screens, and technology trends. Smarter in the future, it maybe have a smarter pump integration and such as integration with drag library and DRS, from displaying data to preventing user errors, compared yet smart human-machine interface, and makes interactions remain mainstream. And in these devices, this may be a 3-point customer concern. Can the display scroll faster step-by-step those programmings? Yes, Leadtek supports faster dose setup. Leadtek's small size, high contrast medical TFT supports clear step-by-step UI layouts for faster and reliable dose programmings and on these pumps. And the second point is with limited screen size, can critical parameters remain clear without clutter? And we support clarities on compact screens. High pixels stabilities combined with optional anti-glare and anti-reflective optical coatings helps maintain clear and cluttered parameters and displays on limited screen size. Second point, third point, can you ensure long-term supply stability, con controls changes, and medical qualities and compliance throughout validation cycles? And our products have supports high reliabilities and long life cycles. Uh, Designed for continuous operations and long spec lifetimes and stable supply to reduce maintenance and total lifecycle costs. And this key message is Leadtek delivers compact and medical grade displays for pumps optimized for safe setup and clear viewing and 27 bedside use. This is our 5-inch TFT LCD displays with 720 and 1280 pixels, and maybe it with MIPIS interface and 300 luminance and operating temperature from minor 20s and to 70s. It's a module and its specs and also is usually used for this device. The first part is a wearables medical device. It chips also use Texas Instruments and Analogies device and Nordics. Its key point is that ultra low power as it is always on operation. You may be open it all days and all nights, and it's designed for multi-days and or multi-weeks wears. Prioritizing battery life over display size or brightness, and is continuous and monitoring and focus on long-term strength states, such as heart rate rises, active SO activities as SP oxygens, and not bedside real-time interaction. These are wireless first architecture. Data is primarily transmitted via BLE to smartphone or and gateways cloud, and with the displays playing the secondary role. Comfort and form factor drivers. This device ICs and displays choice are constrained by size, the device size and weight and heart and skin comfort. Unlike stationary device, regulatory shifts towards customers. Medical overlaps. Many products sit between medical grades and wellness requiring scalable and compliance strategies. And this device displays requirements and technology trends. Displays requirements, more lower, ultra lowest consumptions, glanceable readabilities, and outdoors and daily use robustness. In this, technology strength is from rich UI to power efficiency, and lower power displays technology gain share and displays a secondary interface. Also, on experience becomes mainstream, and design-driven differentiations. And in this device, in my opinion, I think customer customer customers concerned or maybe these three points. The first point is will the display drains the battery too quickly, limiting multi-days or multi-ways wear times. Uh, our device supports in Leadtek, our display. Wait. First point is will our device supports low power display options. Leadtek provides small size TFT and customized display solution, optimized for lower power consumption, suitable for always-on and glanceable wearables applications. And the second part is with limited screen size, can critical parameters remain clear without clutter? Uh, Latex have optical enhancements for daily environments. Optional AI edges optical coatings help reduce reflection and improve readability under ambient light, supporting outdoors and daily use scenarios. The third part is where the displays generate heat at this thickness, weights, or degrees over long-term continuous wear. Um, We support compact, stable, long life cycles design, and medical grade quality management and long lifetime design help ensure stable performance in long-term wearables use while supporting the compact form factor. And key message is Leadtek delivers low power and compact displays for wearables medical device and optimized for long battery life everyday readability and comfortable continuous wears. And this is
Jason?
yeah,
Jason,
hello.
I have a question. Sorry for my interruption. For wearable applications, why have you not chosen for an OLED technology?
OLED
Why always TFT displays?
and uh, in my opinion, I usually watch see the uh, TFT's screens TFT displays for wearables device. But actually, yes, we actually has OLED. If you
You can offer OLED technology,
yeah, we also have OLED.
but then still my question, why have you chosen for TFT and not for OLED? Because wearable is low power,
Yeah.
and I think that OLED is a very good choice here.
Okay. I might make yes, you are right. Maybe I have I don't make my take my attention on OLED is my mistakes. I think your opinion is right. OLED
But
is
when I look
What?
When I look to the photos of the application, is the photo made of an OLED or made of a TFT display?
This one?
No, the application itself. This is only the display.
Yeah.
But when this kind of stuff.
Oh,
Do I see an OLED here or a TFT display?
oh, this one I think is TFT.
Okay, so TFT, but still low power and not OLED.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for your correct my mistake.
Let me say this, every OLED manufacturer is supporting or is offering their technology. So then still my question, why have you chosen for TFT and not for OLED?
Uh, Let me see. Also, as I consider TFT has a better performance as the at first I think TFT offers better performance as this product this module is provide 1000 nits brightness and you have a wide temperatures. So at first I consider the TFTs and after hearing your opinions, I think OLED may be a better option. Oh, okay. Let's continue. And this is our 1.3 inches and IPS LCD modules with 1000 nits for medicals. And you also have a wide operating temperature as minor 20 to 60 degrees. And this is next part is customer case studies. Uh, this is the 12.1 inches products with a UART board for medical monitors. And you also can for diagnostic systems. And this is specifications, and this is mechanical properties. Its covered glass thickness is CG with 6H hardness, and we can do to 7H hardness need to by changing the material, such as choosing the Corning's, pandas, and rainbow glass. And touch support primarily capacitive touch support glass operation. And structural design, optical bonding is supported, and air bonding is also supported to reduce the cost. And added explosion-proof furnace to prevent the glass from flying around after products breaks, and we can support IK08 grade. And here is our LCD high temperatures aging test. You can see this one.
Jason?
Hey, hello,
Jason?
hello.
Yes, hello. I have a question.
Okay.
You have presented a few displays now for medical applications,
Yeah.
and you always mention the products have a UART board or RS485 interface board, or these kind of interfaces. So does it mean that all these medical applications require such a UART board or RS485 boards? Is that common?
Mm, no, but I think this smarter displays may provide more may provide I think let me see, may have more advantages. This smart board with a board such as UART board or SDI board, I think this has a more advantage. We can easily to integrate it with, to the control board, as I think.
Okay, so the medical industry requires more often a smart display compared to LVDS or a MIPI display. That's what you are saying.
Yeah.
Okay. And if a customer would require EMI or EMC a report, would you be able to provide such a report, so EMI report for your displays?
Yes, we will. We are. Yes, we can provide this report as we always do this test.
Yeah, but I mean the EMI test. So in the noise display is emitting, that it is within certain limits. So can you provide documentation and test reports for that for EMI?
Yes, we can.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. Okay, let's continue this webinar. And here is a video for our LCD high temperature aging test.
LCD high temperature aging test. The high temperature aging test of LCD products is an important test procedure to improve product reliability and ensure stable product performance under extreme conditions. How we do aging test on our products. 1. White screen, frequent refresh of red, green, blue and gray scales. 2. TFT LCD display white screen inspection time not less than 8 hours. 3. Monochrome, grayscale sudden change inspection is not less than 8 hours. 4. The video and text effect inspection should not be less than 8 hours. High temperature aging, industrial general use 60 degrees, 4 hours.
Okay, it's the second product is a 5-inch product with SDI board, and it can support glass touch. This module I think is suitable for infusion pumps, and its design standards operating temperature is minor 25 degree to 70 degrees, and storage temperature is minus 30 degree to 80 degrees, and it has 510 nits, and its contrast is 1000. And we can do anti-glare, anti-reflective, anti-fingerprints surface treatments if your customer need it, need it. And it keeps reliable characteristics is you have a touch ID is GT9 911 and supports multi-touch and level operations with touch parameter adjustables based on application requirements. And its backlife time is normally 30,000 hours, and we can update it to 50,000 hours. And this interface is SDI. Use an SDI drive box, enabling easy integration with lower system complexity. And this is our display screen text. It shows how we
Our products need to undergo professional
Jason,
reliability tests.
what is the interface for the touch? Which protocol?
what
The touchscreen. What kind of interface does it have? Is that USB? Is that I2C or what is it?
this is
The touchscreen.
I know.
How
Maybe it's
how
the
how?
I4C.
Uh, I ask which interface do you use for the touchscreen? You use HDMI for the display, but what is used for the touchscreen? Is that USB or I2C? What is the interface?
This is the IC. No,
Yeah, I2C or USB?
I2C.
Okay, that's what I was looking for.
Okay,
So
The layers of quality.
let's continue the video. This is
Our products need to undergo
display
professional
screen test.
reliability tests and layers of quality inspections before they can reach customer terminals. Today, let us show you some reliability tests on LCD screens. LCD appearance test, touch panel test. LCD appearance test. The inspection contents mainly include TP surface, bonding effect, polarizer, backlight accessories, coding, etc. Touch panel test, including computer automatic detection and manual marking test. We will always uphold the core value of leading touch display solutions, strive to provide customers with high-quality products and service levels.
Okay, thank you for watching. Let's become the third part, customized display solutions. And this is our this part we can show our Leadtek customization capabilities. And customization is a core strength of Leadtek. We support multiple display types, cover glass materials, and surface treatment, and touch technologies. And FTC design and interface, backlight customization, and PCBA integration. This allows us to tailor display solutions precisely to medical device requirements. And this and okay, and this is a product roadmap of PCBAs, backlight temperatures, and display interface. Also the display efforts, such as wood grain displays or all-in-one black displays. And this is our product roadmap for irrigated displays. This is one. This is a small size. You can see the specifications. And this is a mid-size, 7-inch to 19-inch. Oh, and this is the roadmap for eco-friendly displays, 1.5 inches to up to 28 inches. This is also the reflective displays and with lower consumptions. And for fourth part is a question and answer section. Is there any question?
yes, can you go one page back with the roadmap?
Yeah. Which page?
This one, yeah,
Okay,
the
okay.
eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly. Okay.
So one forward, so one page forward, yeah, this one.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
these displays, what are the specific applications for these displays, these reflective and transflective? I suppose this is for outdoor.
This one is reflective.
Yeah. So these displays on this page, what is the main target application for these displays? Can you tell?
This is a small size display.
No, in general, the whole
General.
page.
Oh,
In general, this page. So the reflective and the transflective ones. What is your main application targets?
I think this outdoors wearable device, some portable medical device is used for using outdoors environments, such as the
Okay.
sunlight.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So if you use some reflective ones outdoor, you would also need some front lights when it's getting dark.
Yeah, if you in the getting dark, the transflected, if you want to use in the dark, it may be a better choice to choose the transflective displays.
Yeah, yeah, I
In,
know. But since you're also mentioning reflective for outdoor, so
yeah,
sometimes maybe a front light might be necessary then.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you can also customize a front light.
Oh, yes, we can.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome.
Jason, I also have a question in this page. Recently, I visited a customer
Yeah.
who's making an self-made, let's say, laptop for outdoor application, and I'm looking for a transflective technology, but around 11 inch. Here I see some dedicated sizes like 7.8 inch, 10.0 inch, 10.13 inch, etc. That are, let's say, specific sizes. Are these displays made for special applications, or do you offer them from stock?
These three displays.
For instance,
We
do you
can.
offer them from stock, or are these made for a special application?
Maybe we can offer the data sheet for you or any other one.
Well, okay. My question is, can you offer around 11 inch transflective?
11 inch. Maybe. Okay. 11-inch transflex displays.
Yes.
I will check with our engineers. It may need some time. And if you have this one, I will send a message to you.
Yeah. So I'm asking you if you can offer from stock, because the quantities are quite low. So I'm not asking for a new design, but it should be available from your stock already. So you can offer a data sheet.
Okay.
So my customer is using 11 inch, and then I need transflective.
Transflex 11-inch transflex. Okay. When I find this data sheet, I will send it to your emails.
Jason, can we get this presentation from you? Will you send us by mail?
Yes.
Presentation by mail?
Yes.
Okay.
I will send the presentation to you after the webinar.他说是要给他一个11寸的反射屏，要找出对标图给他吧，可能应该是没听懂。
那你跟他说，你肯定对接他给他新样子。
OK。
新样子你肯定跟他对接，我跟你讲一下。这是任务是吗？
他现在已经没有回复了，我刚才都不知道谁在跟我说话。
你刚刚说谁跟你说？
对啊，我刚才没有开的是 PPT。
是要跟你说话吗？
吗？
跟你在说话吗？
没有。Hello, is there any other questions?
I don't think so. Nobody is asking any more questions, so I think we're finished then.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Jason, for your time. Have a nice working day.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
讲完了？
对。
没啥。
对。干紧张啊！谁呀？我靠！我忘了谁了。 有点累，太多了。联系不上了呀，我寻思着，完了。 能把找到客户，能找到客户，看看能找到，看看能找一下他们，就那几个客户呗，都是 T 杠 B 打，然后我直接找一个，他应该说话。哇，全是 T，没有人讲。
我觉得看也是经常对象，昨天刚才说这个地
没事，这个没邮箱。
我都有5个经常没。
那说啥呢？不用找，都没客户呀，我把 PPT 发给他们。无语了。